The silly shoes that made funny noises. Lily put on her brand new shoes feeling like a superstar. But as soon as she took a step, squeak, she froze. Was that me? Honk. Now people were staring. Lily smiled nervously. New shoes, they're, fashionable? Then came the grand finale. Moo! A kid pointed. Yo, her shoes think they're a cow. Lily tried walking quietly, but the shoes were on a roll. Beep! Bark! Quack! Seriously, guys, are you a zoo now? She whispered to her feet. By lunchtime, even the principal was laughing. We've got a comedian in the hallway. Finally, Lily plopped on a bench, glaring at her shoes. Any last words? The shoes sighed dramatically and whispered, Meow. Lily groaned. Great, now I own a pair of cat shoes.